you like those, you want your work quick, most importantly, like you want to make gathers or ruffles, fix the zipper and all those things, and you want it quick, fast, neat, easier, beautiful, then you should go for these footers. Most of the people buy automatic sewing machine so that they could not only make simple straight stitching dresses, but they could also make beautiful designing embroidery, or make some buttonholes, do some button fixing, or do those additional things on their dresses. Recently, I received this question from Nisha Ashi. She asked me, can you please tell me what are the footers that can be used in Usha Janome Dream Sewing Machine? She is saying Usha Janome Dream Sewing Machine. The actual model that comes in Usha Janome, the basic model that comes, that is Usha Janome Dream Stitch Sewing Machine. So first of all, we get to know what is a footer. See, footer or a foot is something like this. These things you get with your sewing machine. These type of footer you get with your sewing machine. This is a straight stitch or zigzag stitch footer, zigzag foot or straight foot. So this you use for those satin stitch also, or you use for making straight stitching, zigzag this stitching, or general reverse stitching. And you just, these are just magnetic, they have a magnetic strip, so they are easily, it gets connected to your sewing machine shank. And this is buttonholes foot. Likewise, there are a number of foot or footer that comes along with your sewing machine. Generally, with all the sewing machines, automatic sewing machines, you get the required foot. Generally, there are 3 or 4 foot you get. One is simple straight stitch plus zigzag foot. Another is picot foot, then zipper foot, and then you get buttonhole, four step buttonhole or single step buttonhole, depending on the machine model you buy. There are different type of foot that you can get for your sewing machine. So in this video, we'll talk about basically 11-piece foot set and 62-piece foot set that are generally the norm and people like to buy them. So first of all, you need to understand if these foot would fit in your sewing machine. So these kind of foot that are available online or offline, they are generally good for any type of automatic zigzag machine or domestic sewing machine, whether you have a single 8280, 1409, 1408, single 1306, or you have brother machines, or you have Burnett, or you have Usha Janome sewing machines. In all these automatic sewing machines, branded sewing machines, you can use these footer sets. If you have umbrella machine or industrial heavy duty machines that are single straight stitch machines, then also these footers may not fit. If you have those mini sewing machines or stapler sewing machines, small 1 or 2 stitch only sewing machines that are non-branded, then also these footer sets may not fit your sewing machine shank. So what is a shank? So understand this point also, because if you buy a footer set and if it doesn't fit your machine, then it will be a wastage of money for you. So here you can see that if your sewing machine has this type of low shank, that is 3/4 inch of length here, then these footer set would fit into your machine. Here there is a magnetic strip and the footer can fit easily. But if your umbrella machine, if you have an umbrella machine or a domestic half shuttle machine or any other unbranded machine, then the shank would be high. It could be high machine, like industrial machine, there's a high shank. Then also this foot may not fit, And in Singer also, there are certain machines that old machines where the slant is like this, slanting, and there also these type of designer foot may not fit. So this you have to take care. Now the question is, do you really need these different types of foot, and who should go for these kind of different feet, designing feet? See, if you want to make, you want to join two pieces of fabric, you want to use some kind of applique designs, you want to make applique designs, you want to do embroidery, you want to do picot or roll hem, or you want to add the zipper, then there are different applications like ruffle making. Using these foot, you can make different designs. So let's understand these foot first. These are the 11 foot set, and here you get different pieces like blind stitch foot, overcast, like 3 mm roll of lace if you have to put lace on your fabric or the frocks, straight stitch foot that also comes along with your sewing machine. So here you'll have a separate or spare sewing machine foot. Quilting foot, if you are fond of making quilts or doing the quilting thing, then also you will find this foot useful. Zipper foot comes along with your sewing machine, but if you have misplaced your zipper foot, or you think having another piece at this low cost or economic price is not a bad idea, then this zipper foot is also useful for making piping or adding the zippers. Then you may be making invisible zipper on your dresses. There is a foot for such purposes. Then you have zigzag foot, roller foot, and satin stitch. If you make satin stitch designs or flowers, then satin stitch foot is useful. Then there is net button pressing foot. The question may be how to use them. When you buy these type of footer set, then one manual comes along with it, and looking at that manual, you can just check how to fix it, how to make the designs. It is very easy application. Just fix if you watch my earlier videos, then also you can get to know that they are just snap on buttons, snap on foot, and you can easily make designs. Still you're not clear how to make designs using these foot, then there are numbers of tutorials on this channel and even on other channels that you can check out and use these footer and make the designs. Best price, the discount that you are getting right now, this is 58% discount. The original cost was 950, but right now on Amazon the cost is 399. So that's a steal, and even the reviews, the users who have bought these footer, they are also loving this set. Now you wonder if you should go for 62-piece set, footer set. Then that also I'm explaining in this video, so that all your questions are covered and you are very much clear which footer set you should go for. So here, when you go for 62-piece set, it's a big enough box where 62 pieces are available in this box, but originally there are about 42 pieces that you can use, and all other are duplicates. As you can see in this box, like some pieces are duplicate, but anyway, these duplicate pieces, like duplicate means like two pieces of the same kind, and they are useful because you need these pieces like this embroidery foot that you'll be using more frequently, so you'll be needing two pieces. Picot you'll be doing frequently, so it's a good idea to have two pieces. Now you may wonder if you really need them. Why you need them exactly? Do you need so many pieces? Then if you are, see, basically what I say, if you are really loving stitching the way I do, or you are really into fashion making, or you love making designs for yourself, like many of you say, okay, how to make those satin stitch, how to get the neatness like professionals, or the market like dresses. So here, if you like those fancy designs, or you like those you want your work quick, most importantly, like you want to make gathers or ruffles, fix the zipper and all those things, and you want it quick, fast, neat, easier, beautiful, then you should go for these footers. So here the quality comes in picture. Are they really worth it? The quality is, at this price, it is value for money, and it lasts longer enough. In short, when we say, should you go for them? Yes, of course. If you are a stitching lover, fashion lover, then it is a steal. So the price of this 62-piece set is, it is 3,600. But when we go for the best price, you are getting a discount of 32% right now. And this is the right now, the current online price. That may change in future. I'll give you the link in the description. You can check that link and check the best price at the moment. So this is 2,449 and the rating is good, 170 ratings. That is 4-star. Now the question may come into your mind whether you should go for 11-piece foot or 62-piece foot. If you are a beginner, you are just exploring your machine, and you are not very sewing enthusiast, only once in a week you take out your machine to sew, and it's not like your hobby, then you can go for 11-piece foot. But if you are a really die-hard sewing lover and you love to make embroidery, designing, stitching for yourself, for your family, for your kids, or for your customers, then definitely it's a good idea to go for a bigger piece, like 62-piece set. I hope I answered most of your questions. And still, if you have any questions, you can drop your questions below in the comment section. And when you make any designs, please do share them with me on Stitching Mall Instagram or Facebook page. Thank you so much for sending me these comments. Subscribe the channel and like the video so that you get the better videos, beautiful videos, and more information on the best of sewing machines, reviews, and how to make a career in stitching, and how to make best use of your stitching hobby and your business. Take care, enjoy yourself. God bless you. See you in the next video.